Hello and welcome everyone to my channel Electronic Science Tutorial. I will start a series of lecture on VLSI technology in my channel. Those who are not check out my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start our discussion. Hi, welcome to VLSI technology. In previous class, we talked about the Bridgman technique of crystal growth. In today's class, we talk about the major drawback of Bridgman technique of crystal growth. So, let's start our class. In today's class, we talk about the drawback of Bridgman technique. In previous class, we already talked about in detail the Bridgman technique of crystal growth. But we have already mentioned silicon is a type of material which expands on solidification. Okay, so this is the major drawback of Bridgman crystal growth. In previous class, we already talked about those topics. Because charge that is kept in a quartz board, so the confining boundary of the quartz board is create a lot of stress during the solidification of the charge. Okay, charge is in the molten condition. The solidification is taking place at the seed end where the charge is in contact with the board. Right. So, the surface of the board is going to act as a confining barrier. It is going to create a lot of stress on the crystal, and therefore we know whenever there is a lot of stress occur, dislocation will be formed. Okay, and so Bridgman growth single crystals have a lot of dislocation in them. Right? In fact, that is one of the major reasons why instead of the simplicity of the Bridgman crystal growth technique, all of us go for CZ system of crystal growth. Okay? That's all about the drawback of Bridgman technique. So the first drawback is silicon expands on solidification. Second drawback is quartz board create a lot of stress. Third drawback is surface of the board is going to create a lot of stress, and due to this stress dislocation will be formed when we grow crystal or when we growth a single crystal by using Bridgman technique process. That's why we don't go for Bridgman technique. All of us prefer CZ technique. Okay. So with this we have come to the end of our session. I hope you like this video. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. फिर मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. Thank you.